Let's talk about birds.
A fact about birds is the fastest bird in the whole world.
Owls.
The fastest bird in the whole world can go three times faster
Then 7.
when the fastest bird in the whole world can go 3 times 7 faster than the slow bird.
Birds are slow. Birds have wingspans of at least 3.
Four, sometimes 4.
The term peregrine falcon is used for vagabonds because peregrines travel afoot on their wings.
Yeah.
Frequently, no nests, no home.
They're also birds as well.
They have a beak.
The cardinal bird, cardinal is and a blue jay are sports teams. Cardinals, the males are really bright, and the girls are not because they're ugly. Blue jays are baseball. Sports.
The other day, I saw a specimen of mallard on the street. Mallards. Mallards sit in ponds, and they don't really eat bread, but you can give it. Mallards eat bread.
On the Canadian $1 coin, it's called a loonie.